Good morning, students. In today's class we will learn how to make human face in 3 different sides. Okay, so at first we will write date and then start doing the drawing. For human face drawing, at first you make a shape like this. It's more like an oval or like a coconut kind of shape. Okay, coconut, how it has like this. Yeah, now here you make a line and on the center you make a line. It's little bit above the center, okay, this line. So here will be the eyebrows. Eyes will come on the center of this circle. So here will be the eyebrows and here the eyes. And also in between the eyes there will be a gap of one eye. So this is the eye. Okay, now here will be the eyebrow just above this line. Now the nose. Nose will come, if this is the half, then again one more half. See, this is the half of the whole oval size. Okay, this is the half of the length of the oval size. So again another half will be nose. See, nose, how I am making it. Now this we have taken, see, the whole oval size is this much. Okay, this oval size is this much. Now on the half we made the eyes, and on another half again I did half here, so we got nose here. Okay, now again here again we do another half. So lips will be above this line. Lips will be somewhere here, it will end here. Okay, see the shape of the lips. Now the eyeball I will make it. And we have to also make ears. So ears will be in this area. Okay, ears actually should be I did the ears too high. Okay, ears should be with the eyes. Okay, ears should be equal to the eyes. Yeah, here ears should be in this area, like this, till the nose. Now the eyeballs, I made it dark. Okay, and then slowly, and then here eyebrows we made it dark, then here okay. So this is the front side human face. This is the front side human face. Okay, so we can also do some shading. If you want to do some shading, you can do it. Like this. So this is a very simple human face structure. Neck will be somewhere here. Now the next one is the side face, isn't it? So the side face, how we will make? At first we will make a shape like this. So this is the head shape. Okay, this will be head, this is neck, and this is the chin. Now there will be, like, you will just make this line go inside, then come up and like this, then the nose. Okay, see here on this half, here we made the eyes should be in this line now. See, we have taken this measurement before. This full line for this oval shape structure, on the half eyes will come, and on this half again nose will come, and again on this half lips will come. So lips like this, one line and one curve, then another curve. Okay, now lips. Now eyes will be here. So from the side face, when we see, the eyes are not like this. Okay, front face eyes are, front face, on in the front face eyes are like this, isn't it? like this eyes. But from the side face, see how the eyes will be. It's like this. Here will be the eyebrow. Then ears. Ears will be in this place, yeah. Now the last face we are going to make. For this, see this one and this one, we make the circle like this. For this one we make the circle like this. Okay, for the head, basic head shape will be this one. This one for this, and for this one it will be like this. Okay, now I will make one more type of one more side of face, which will be this one. It's more like this. Now this will have little circular one side, like this one has like straight, this side is straight. Okay, but here it's getting more round. Okay, this area is more round than a straight line. Okay, so it's round, and in this face both the sides are round. Okay, so now we will take the half of its size. First half. So on half, eyes will be there. and nose. Then the leaves. Okay. Here the eyeballs. So it's looking not completely from a side, the face, but from where we can see both the sides, little of this face. Okay, so ears should be equal to the eyes. Okay, almost equal to the eyes. Ears will be. Now it's the hair. Neck, shoulder, hair, little bit of shading you have to do on hair. Okay, so these are the three different types of face. Here you can make the eyeball and do little shading on it. Okay, fine. Do this word. See, this one is like this, like a coconut shape, and the next one will be like this, and the third one is like this.